Oh, oh, that's awesome. Oh, there's pike. Oh, man, he's coming back. Oh, there it goes. We're out here running flags again, and let me tell you something. We're halfway through the day. It is pike madness mayhem. The flags have been going off non-stop. We cannot keep up. There's really nice walleye in here and lots of pike. We brought along the MarCum HD, so we're gonna have a lot of really cool underwater shots. Absolutely love it. Let's go. First one. Look at Jess. There it is. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's not what I want. Pike! Dang. Right on the lip, too. I even broke off the treble. Already, first one. But we want to try and get some walleye. That's the plan. First one. Not big. Uh-oh. Oh, it's spinning. Here she goes. Jess, give me a second. Hang on. Checking. Wait. There we go. Oh, another pike. Oh, yes. So we got one shallow and we got one deep. Because I don't know, Jess. I don't know where they're at this morning because they change every day, it seems like. But we have not broke off yet because I think I said this earlier. We're running 100% fluoro because I want to get a nice walleye if I can in here. So we're risking it. Shoot, Jess, look out. That's bad control. All right, let's let this one go. Oh. It's not spinning. Sit. People can't see. Sit. Oh, it's on there. It's on there. Look at it go. Okay. Be careful. Here we go. There we go. Oh man, I'm making a big mess of my frickin' another pike. Oh my gosh, Jessica. Oh. You know, I'm surprised. 3 pike, this is a not bad one. We haven't broke off yet. They're just lipping these, like just in the end, which is really fortunate for us. Or we'd be putting trebles on left and right. There we go. My line control, my fish control. My line control is shit. Here we go. Another one. They're getting bigger, but we want to get some walleye. One's biting. There goes the bobber. Before it spins. There it goes. Oh, I'm trying to get my camera on there. There he is. Holy shit. That's so cool. No, how long has this been going off? Let go, Jess. Sit. Do we dare? I don't know. It could be long gone. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel, oh, I think it's there. It's there. It is there. Or pike, what do you know? Oh, another one. How long, look, out of the way. How long has that been going off for watching the other one? It's quite funny. Oh, it's in there deep. Now, this one is so deep. It is so deep, there is no point. We're just gonna kill the fish. So we're just gonna, if we were to take it out, so we're just gonna cut it and let him go, because over time it'll disintegrate and eat away, then he'll be fine. So we gotta do that this time. I won't even try. Oh, it's mad. I don't blame it. Oh man. Oh, oh, that's awesome. That is so cool. There he goes, there he goes. That is so cool. The bobber fish aren't spitting off, we're frozen. There it goes. That is so cool. Should we let him know? We shall. Look at him. He's going. He is going. There he is. Oh, it's a bigger one too. Oh, not bad. Oh, he swims up the hole. That was awesome. Man, that's cool. That is so cool to see that. Easy hook. I'm still surprised we have not broke off yet. All we've been catching is pike and using fluoro, not leaders, nothing. But I want to get a walleye if we can, because there are nice ones in here. It's like a death roll. We got another one, Jess. It's getting a little crazy. He must be munching on it because he ain't moving yet. Yeah, there he goes, there he goes. There he goes. Looking for a walleye. Oh, I think this one's off. Oh, he's hitting it. There he is. Another pike. Oh, man. Man, this is a really common size in here. About 20 some, I don't know, 25 inch. They're nice ones. Really, really good eaters. But we're still looking for that walleye. Oh, my pliers. They're on the other one still. We have to bring this guy real quick. There's too many fish. Way too many fish now. Getting crazy. So what we are running today, like I said, the single trebles, and we're using minnows because they're a little bigger. We have 2 holes, one on the 10-foot right here and one on the 16-foot. Reason being, there's still a little bit of green vegetation. It all hasn't died off yet, so there could be bait fish floating around the outside. So you can almost guarantee there's pike cruising this way all the way through. But there could be some a little deep, hopefully some walleye. So that's why we put one more on the outside. This is getting insane. There's so many freaking fish biting right now. They are just going crazy. Temperature change. I don't know if he's on there. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing. They're getting spoiled. Oh God, here we go. Oh, look at that. I don't want to touch the camera. Once he takes it. If I raise it, I might scare it. I was just setting it up. Oh, no, 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 you don't want it. That's cool. That is so freaking cool to see. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, there he goes. He's munching it. Oh, okay, we're going to let him take it now. Spit it out. Don't know yet. Oh, look at that. Right in front of the camera. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. He's definitely gonna pop the flag. Come on. Damn.